guacamole, it is lime, chopped jalapeno, chopped onion, cilantro, and chopped tomato. Do you like everything in your guacamole, or you like?
So this is only pure avocado in the roll right now.
Salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Okay, and then so then you mixed up whatever we want, right?
Yeah, whatever.
Well, everything.
So you like everything? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, this is lime, onion, jalapeno, cilantro.
Isn't that the best with everything on it?
I'm sorry?
Is that the best with everything on it?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the next dish coming?
This one?
Yes.
Tostaditas. This is a tostaditas de camarón and tostaditas de tuna. It is a tostadita with fresh shrimp, with avocado and some mayo chipotle at the bottom. And this is with ají tuna, same with mayo chipotle and a touch of guacamole on top.
I think I'm gonna eat all of them.
So delicious, so delicious. Wait until you see the drinks.
So there's more than food in Frida. There's also drinks. So now we have a full platter of margarita flights. Tell me. There's different colors.
Yeah, this is the skinny margarita.
Skinny, why? Because there's
It's less sugary.
less sugary. Okay.
And this is watermelon jalapeno margarita.
That's the spicy one.
This is a spicy one.
Yeah.
This is spicy as well, but it's with mezcal. This is really good.
Oh, mezcal. I had mezcal Friday. I love mezcal.
Yeah. And this is with mezcal too, and it's with tamarind.
Okay.
And this is cucumber and pineapple with tequila. So this is called abuelita.
So that's all the different margarita you have of the bar menu.
Yes.
Love it.
This is a vegetarian dish. It is a crispy taco.
Vegetarian, not vegan, right?
Correct, vegetarian.
Okay.
It starts with a crispy taco filled with fried plantain or exquisite chocolate mole sauce with sour cream, a little bit of cheese.
There's so much going on that table between all those margaritas we had. So now we're guacamole and just homemade with whatever we wanted in there. Now we're getting to the seafood part. So what do you have? Shrimps?
These are prawns, yeah, with our garlic sauce that is made with some white wine and peppers, of course, as you can see them here.
And then tell me, all the plates have the Frida word in there, right?
Yes, of course. They're like actually imported from Mexico.
So after those beautiful shrimp, for which I had to ask for a spoon to finish the sauce, what are we having now?
So this is a filet mignon with a 3 chile sauce. So this is basically garlic, salt, tomato base, topped with a grilled onions on top, some sauteed mushrooms, some green beans, and some broccoli. You're having flan. This one here is a caramel custard, and this one here are the churros. So it has some sugar and what else was it?
Canela.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Okay.
And the
you dip
cajeta.
it in, it's goat milk, cajeta.
Good milk. With something in there.
Mexican caramel, yeah.
Okay.
But really nice and sweet.
So now I asked for another dessert because one of them had cinnamon, and some people know that I don't really like cinnamon, and I hear this is one of the best one on the menu. So what is this one?
This is a tres leches cake, also known as a sponge cake. Our famous and traditional cake. It's made with 3 milks. It's made with evaporated milk, whole milk, and condensed milk. Some vanilla frosting on top, some shaved chocolate on top, some raspberry sauce at the bottom, and we also have raspberries and strawberries with a touch of mint.
So I have this feeling I'm not going to share that one with anybody.